Audio Jungle.
Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're working on buttoning up the project car here. We got Jason here today. You know what's going on. Then got the car up in the air. We're going to be putting the front bumper on and buttoning that up. Fresh out of paint, like I said. I'm going to put all the surrounding bezels back on, the badge, and put the side skirts on the car, stuff like that. So today when we're all done, this car is going to be ready to go. There'll be zero things left to do on it. What we're doing right now is we're just putting some HID headlights in. These headlight units here. Give you a peek at how they look. Yeah. So HID headlights are in. We're doing that one right now. We got some more buttoning up to do. Gotta finish the interior, put everything back together, stuff like that. Get a couple of check engine lights off, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, what we're going to move on to now is, just putting these pieces back in for the fog lights. You just snap into place, 1, 2, 3. That. Like that. Now we're going to move on to getting the badge back on and then putting the inserts back up here in. And Jay's over there working on the badge, so see how it looks in a minute. Alright guys, now we're moving on to is, we did a couple already. These small pieces here, we're taking all the old tape off, and I'm going to put new 3M double-sided tape on all these parts so that we can put them on the car. Put the tape on, and put them on the car, see how they look. Alright guys, I got all the double-sided tape off. Jay's gonna go ahead and lay the tape down like he did on these two. I'm gonna put more double-sided tape on here. Almost ready to put them on the car. Make the whole car look different. Make it complete. Here we go. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put the vents in up here. And the double-sided tape on both sides. Let's see how it looks. Alright guys, there you have it. The air guides are in, stuff like that. Now we're going to work on is putting the bumper back on the car and mounting it up, making it look good, then move on to installing the side skirts. Alright guys, now we're moving on to is mounting the side skirts on the car. Gotta put some more, have Jay put some more double-sided tape on here. That one's gonna line up perfect. They're all gonna line up perfect. And then put that down. We got the other one here to put on, like so. This car is gonna look great when it's finished. So that's what we're gonna work on next. I'll put you on time lapse while we do that and show you the finished result. Alright guys, it's the next day here, and today what we're going to do is finish buttoning up the car. Going to put all the leads in for the fog light and the side marker light, and you know, on both sides, button down the front bumper, and then we're going to go ahead and put the other set of side skirts on and button up the interior, and that'll be it. And next Saturday I'm going to go down to Long Island, and I don't know if you guys are familiar with RT Life. He's going to be doing a review on the car. I'll take it for a couple rips and, you know, make sure everything's squared away before we get down there. Have him review the car and see what he thinks. So now I'm going to put you on time lapse. I'll butt up the front bumper and show you where we're at in a minute. Alright guys, here's a little update. Got the front bumper on, all the lights are plugged in, headlights are in, bumpers on. Gonna get an emblem this weekend for the front. This is on. Now what we're gonna be doing is putting the side skirts on all the way down the side of the car, just like the other side. And yep, we're almost done. We're gonna back it outside, vacuum it real quick. Be good to go. Got Jason over here doing his thing over here, putting them tape on. And then, yeah guys, we're almost done. I'll give you an update in a minute. Alright guys, here it is for the most part. Gonna get a badge for the front bumper this week from the junkyard, a couple of the odds and ends. But this is it, car's finished. Jay, would you mind lowering the hood for me? Showing that fresh paint. Perfect. Yeah, that's sharp, man. Yep, there it is, fellas. Got a couple odds and ends to button up in the interior. Gonna get a tail light from the junkyard this week. But other than that, it's good to go. Side skirts are on. All factory stuff. That's it. Now we're gonna take it for a short little ride, test it out. You guys know how it goes. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Catch you guys next time. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and link it to your friends. Thanks.